If you are someone who is actually very dedicated and passionate already about freeing yourself to realize your truest potential, that you're seeing that you've read all the books, you've done all the workshops, and your level of awareness has really increased, you're seeing results in your life, but there's this thing at the core that you can't quite get to, and every time you think you might be clear of it, here it comes again. If that's the case, then seriously consider this training program. As you train to become a certified TRE provider, the most important part of the program is actually you doing your own TRE, which is initiating your own tremor mechanism in a very regulated way. We don't do regulated very well in the world that we live in now. So just that alone, grounding the nervous system, releasing years of built-up stress, and learning how to regulate ourselves in our lives, and giving us space to be able to make better decisions for ourselves is already huge. And this is actually the number one requirement in the program. Of course, you learn how to teach others one-on-ones as well as groups, but number one is you grounding your own nervous system. So you get to enjoy all of the results of living more of a grounded, regulated, joyful, peaceful life, having more compassionate relationships with people, and really making a difference just by having people in your presence, because your nervous system is finally down-regulated and more peaceful. So not only do you learn how to do that and to use TRE, founded by Dr. David Berceli, to do that, you also have a career in your pocket. You have a career where no matter where you are in the world, you have become this. You are walking the earth more peacefully, and you can share with as many people as you like, in person or online, how to do this for themselves too.